everyone, and welcome to your next episode of Cooking with Nicole. Today we're going to make a fun little treat. This could be either a dessert or a quick little snack that you want to make. May not be too quick, but something fun anyway that you could maybe make even as an after-school snack with the kids. We're going to make low-carb cream cheese berry pockets. So kind of like a Hot Pocket, but only with fruit and some sweeter internal ingredients. So it's going to be fun. It's going to be delicious. So we build it on our low-carb tortilla, and I'm using Mission Carb Balance tortillas. Once we get it all built and we'll fold it together, we're going to put it in a frying pan that I have some melted butter in, and we'll toast it and on all sides. And there you go. That will be our little berry pocket. So this is how we're going to construct it. We have our low-carb tortilla, and then we're going to take 2 ounces of softened cream cheese, and we're just going to spread this out onto the tortilla. Now, if you're not as big of a fan of cream cheese, obviously you can tell I love cream cheese, so I'm opting to go pretty heavy with the cream cheese option here. You could certainly put this down or cut this down to 1 ounce of cream cheese if you would prefer. And then you can go heavier on the yogurt side of things. So we've got our cream cheese nice and spread out here. And now we're going to take 1 tablespoon of Too Good vanilla yogurt. I'm using the Too Good yogurt because it is the yogurt that is lowest in carbs overall. I really enjoy this yogurt, and it works great for all of these low carb and more keto recipes. So I'm only using a tablespoon of the yogurt because I went heavier with the cream cheese, but like I said, you could do the opposite if you'd rather do more yogurt and less cream cheese. By all means, feel free to do so. And then I'm going to sprinkle down on top of it 2 teaspoons of the monk fruit sweetener. You can use any sweetener of your choice that you would like. I'm using the monk fruit this morning. And then we're going to do 1/4 of a cup of berries, and you can choose any berry that you would like. You can use, I got strawberries and blueberries here, but if you want to do raspberries and blackberries, by all means, you certainly can. I did take the time to sit down and figure out the nutrition facts information for every group of berries. So I will post with it the option for blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. And hey, if you want to combine them together and make a mixture, you could do that too. Just know on average, your grams of net carb are going to come out somewhere between 8 to 9 grams of carbohydrate. If you're using blueberries, blueberries are the sweetest in glycemic index when it comes to the berry family. And so the berry recipe actually is going to give you closer to almost 11 grams of net carbs. So if you're wanting to keep it lower, aim for more of the strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Today I figured I'd just kind of do a little combination of each, and you kind of want to keep, in order to fold it so it doesn't ooze out, you want to kind of go a little sparingly with your berries. I would recommend about 1/4 of a cup of berries inside of your tortilla here. And then we're going to fold this together. See, they're already wanting to escape. We are going to fold this together, and we are going to fasten it with, like you're sewing, with some toothpicks, so that when we put it down on the frying pan, everything doesn't ooze out. And so I'm just gonna stick this through here like I'm sewing. And I'm gonna, excuse me while I turn on the oven and get the butter melting. There we go. And then we're gonna finish our pocket by tucking stuff in there, and we're gonna fold this end over as well. In the frying pan, I'm just warming up about 1 tablespoon of butter. Oh, this one doesn't want to sew real well. We're gonna warm up 1 tablespoon of butter, and we're gonna put this seam side down into the melted butter, and we're gonna toast this side first. It's going to help seal everything together as if we're kind of gluing it, and then you can flip it over and toast the other side. So this little fruit pocket is going to, for the combination, like I said, is going to be roughly about 9 grams of net carb, but it's going to be about 393 calories and 11 grams of protein. Now that is if you are using the 2 ounces of cream cheese, the 1 tablespoon of the Too Good yogurt, and the Mission Carb Balance tortillas. Of course, all of that information would change if you use a different low carb tortilla, or if you did less of the cream cheese, more of the yogurt. So this one you might have to do a little bit of math on depending on the ingredients that you use. So we're gonna spread out our butter here in our frying pan, and you can see how it's nice and foamy, and I'm going to actually turn the heat down just a little bit. And this is your cue to then take our pocket, and we're going to flip it down on top, and there you go. We're just going to let this toast and brown on the one side. Once it's all ready to flip, we'll turn it over until the other side is nice and golden. It's going to be this super tasty, sweet, creamy, indulgent little snack or treat for you. This is your sweet deal today. I hope you enjoy it. Talk to you soon.